From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 9. Presented by Amity University. Powered by Softovac and Ganesh Atta.
Good evening and welcome. This morning, there was a planned attack on Kangana. Bollywood lobby members and some of their flunkies and lackeys spent the first half of the day launching a vicious attack on Kangana, attacking her personally, ridiculing her in a vulgar way, pulling out old videos, abusing her, and threatening Kangana. And one of them, who went berserk, said in Hindi, "This is going to end now." The translation was, and let me read out what this person said in Hindi. "In sab ka ant yahi hoga." What did this person mean? What will end? Was that a direct threat on Kangana's career or on her personal safety? What these losers don't realize is that the nation's focus and scrutiny is on them and their dark deeds. And that Kangana has, unlike these cowards, forced the focus on Sushant's mysterious death. Why were the CCTVs shut? Were they? Why were duplicate keys to his house missing? Were they? Where are the fingerprints on the cloth which Sushant allegedly used to hang himself? Was there a syndicate threatening him, sabotaging his career? These are real questions. The nation will not tolerate a cover-up. And making Kangana a target in the way they are openly doing only makes, in my view, the evil intentions of this lobby more and more obvious. Ladies and gentlemen, that's debate number 1 tonight in your way. 3 minutes from now. Kangana is targeted and threatened. India wants the Sushant truth. Debate number 2 tonight. The Supreme Court pulls up the lobby and Prashant Bhushan's in the dock. That's debate 2. Debate 3 tonight. Well, I have a surprise guest for you tonight. An Indian who has participated in the vaccine trials in the UK. He's going to be talking to us on what he experienced when he became part of the human trials. That's at 10:30 p.m. Very special guest. Very brave man out there. He's joining us at debate 3, which is on the race for the vaccine. And here are the headlines. This Tuesday evening on The Debate Tonight. Kangana now attacked and threatened by the Bollywood lobby for raising questions on the Sushant death investigation. 3 days after Kangana named him, the Mumbai police interrogate film critic Rajiv Masand. Focuses on him for over 10 hours. Are Bollywood camps deliberately trying to deviate from the larger issues raised by Kangana Ranaut? We debate the 8 big questions tonight. Supreme Court initiates contempt proceedings against Prashant Bhushan and Twitter for smear campaign against the Indian judiciary. Murderous assault on journalist in Ghaziabad 4 days after he tried protecting his niece from molesters. An early trial of Oxford's COVID vaccine shows positive trial. Vaccine trial volunteer joins me live at 10:30 p.m. tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, lobbies in Bollywood are working overtime to openly threaten Kangana Ranaut. Openly target Kangana Ranaut for exposing the truth about the way in which they operate. Notice the strategy. The ones going after Kangana are not saying a word about the larger points she has raised in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. We will not allow them to deflect. Tonight, as another powerful Bollywood film critic was interrogated, here are the questions the Mumbai police is not asking but must ask, and the Mumbai police must answer, and then we debate.
It's not about me. I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about some.
Her no-holds-barred interview and piercing questions on The Nation Wants to Know not only ruffled feathers in the Hindi film industry, but also put the spotlight firmly on the investigation in the Sushant Singh Rajput case.
They want to summon me. Please summon me. I am ready to say all this, but even they are answerable. What about Aditya Chopra, Karan Johar, Rajiv Masand? This can't be your way of pleasing people and, being vindictive to others and, kind of sabotaging careers and pushing people to commit suicide. Mahesh Bhatt, for abetment of suicide, he should have a proper act on him. Why was he counseling him? Is he a psychiatrist? Is he his friend? Has he worked with him? Who is he in his life? Why was he going to his house and counseling him?
On Saturday, minutes after clips of the interview went viral on social media, the Mumbai police summoned filmmaker and YRF boss Aditya Chopra. And today, film critic Rajiv Masand, who Kangana accused of writing vicious blinds against the 36-year-old actor, was also called in for questioning.
If we question Rajiv Masand, who's written that he's a rapist, he's a drug addict, he beats up directors, who are his sources? Maybe his publicist.
But instead of talking about the larger issues raised by Kangana, especially on the Sushant Singh Rajput case, a section in Bollywood is both targeting and threatening her. In a series of tweets, filmmaker Anurag Kashyap, who is believed to be close to Karan Johar, who Kangana named repeatedly in her interview, told Kangana that people like her see their end. The English translation of his tweet reads, "Instead of showing Kangana the mirror and putting her on a pedestal, you are ending her. I have nothing more to say. What nonsense is she talking? She's saying anything without rhyme or reason. All of them end this way. And since I respect her, I cannot tolerate this, Kangana. I don't know if others will speak out." The choice of words, "people like Kangana will see their end if not shown the mirror," cannot be taken lightly. Team Kangana is fighting back not just against the likes of Anurag Kashyap, but also Swara Bhaskar and Taapsee Pannu and a few Lutyens journalists who are pulling out old videos to shift focus from the obvious questions pertaining to the Sushant Singh Rajput case. The divide is clear. The non-stop Twitter battles are an example. When actor Ranveer Shore called out independent film crusaders turned mainstream Bollywood flunkies, Anurag Kashyap launched a personal attack by talking about his relationship. But there are questions the Bollywood lobby is running away from, especially in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Is Kangana being targeted and threatened for revealing secrets of the movie mafia media? What happened on the 9th of June 13th, a night before Sushant committed suicide? Why is no one questioning the circumstances that led to Sushant's suicide? Is there a narrative being created to blame Sushant? Why is there no focus on the points raised by Kangana? Instead of targeting Kangana, should the Bollywood lobby look within? And finally, when Kangana is willing to testify, why has the Mumbai police not summoned her formally? Let's debate.
We have a diverse panel tonight. Bharat Dabolkar, actor, Sonam Mahajan, Aruna Raje, film director, Subrashta, columnist and author, and Saurabh Shukla of News Mobile. On the other side, taking them on, Fawzia Arshi, film director, Kunika Sadanand Lal, advocate and actress, Major Muhammad Ali Shah, actor, former army officer, and Arun Bakshi, actor and singer. Let's debate. Let's debate. Aruna Raje, I'd like you to open the debate with Kunika. And I just want to begin by saying that I'm appalled, horrified at the manner in which Aruna, at the nature in which Aruna, the way in which Kangana has been vilified and targeted. Anurag Kashyap says, "In sab ka ant yahi hoga." What do you mean? What kind of intimidatory language is that? Why are you threatening her?
absolutely-
Why are you targeting her? What wrong has she done? What is her crime? That she dared to speak up when all of you were silent, Kunika? That she touched a raw nerve? Or is it that because of her, even the Mumbai police is being forced to now have a more detailed investigation? What is her fault, Aruna? Let's talk about it. What is Kangana's great crime for which she's being targeted now?
Yeah, this is completely unacceptable, Arnab. And she has every right to speak. It's absolutely her right to speak, and she's for a change. She's actually expressed herself. And she's absolutely right. I've been in this industry for 51 years, and I've seen it all. It's not just something that happened yesterday. It's been going on for a long time, and at least she had the guts to speak up. And I think that one must listen to what she's saying and take it in the right spirit.
Then why is she being targeted? Kunika, why is she being threatened?
May I?
Because she
May I-
is revealing the dirty secrets of Bollywood,
First of all,
presumably.
Arnab.
Because she's not a participant in the
Arnab,
Bollywood
let me
lobby's
answer,
dirty secrets campaign. Because she threatens them. This
I
lackey
heard
and
you,
flunky
Arnab, can I
culture.
please
Yes,
answer?
Kunika.
Can I please? First of all, yes, thank you. First of all, I would like to say that I'm very happy that Kangana has brought this whole debate back into focus, because we want answers. Secondly, I would like to say that whatever Kangana is saying, she must put all this with proofs in front of the police, and the police must call her. If everything comes out in the open, she must have proofs of what she's saying. Otherwise, the people whom she's blaming must file a defamation suit against her.
There you
If
see, you
they
put
say
the
that
pressure
they are
back on
correct
her.
and
There you see,
Kangana is
Subrashta,
wrong.
no,
And if
look at
Kangana
that.
says,
Look at that. This is the
Yes.
clear attempt.
No.
Intimidate
The
her,
police
push her,
and the
put her
police and the
calibrated. You
investigation
compliment her for
don't-
speaking up. At the
no,
same
no,
time,
no,
you
no,
intimidate
no.
her. Look at that.
Yes,
Look at the
many
hypocrisy.
lives-
But at the same
many
time, I
lives
want to
have been
say,
destroyed. How long
you
is this going to go
cannot
on?
use your vendetta. You cannot use somebody's death and use your vendetta against
Shame on you
people
for
through
accusing
somebody's death.
Kangana of
She is-
using somebody's death
this
when all of you
service-
people
she's
remained
doing
quiet.
this service
When all
to
of you people
Sushant's
remained
death
quiet, she was the only
and
one who
his
spoke.
life
She
by
was the only
using
one who
Sushant.
spoke. It is
She
because of
should-
her that
no,
this campaign
no.
is out in the open in the
No,
first place.
Arnab,
I'd want the other side.
No, you don't remember the
I'd
first
want the other
interview
side.
you did, which
I'd
was
want
there.
Subrashta to come into
Arnab,
the debate.
I don't like to
Arnab.
shout. I don't like you shout.
Arnab,
Like you
Arnab,
shout. No, you
this-
please listen to me first.
No, you hear the other side. Hear
person-
Subrashta.
When you
Spoken.
interviewed
Can I
on the day
please have a say
Sushant
now?
died, you were the first. I was the
Ma'am,
first
you've
person who
spoken.
said
May I
there
please
is a
have my
lobby.
say now?
There is a lobby and there is a cozy club.
I would like Subrashta to
All right,
give us
thank
the
you
other
for
side.
acknowledging that there is a cozy lobby or whatever you call it. The point of the matter is that none of you spoke about it, only Kangana did, number one. Number two, the points that Kangana has raised, nobody is actually targeting those points. Nobody is actually coming up with any counter arguments to what
Why
she
did
said.
Kangana
All
speak
that
about
you guys
it when
can
she
do
was-
now is, hold
she
on,
would have
ma'am, please,
saved Sushant
have some
Singh Rajput.
decency,
If she
have
had
some
spoken
decency
about
and
it
allow
when
me to,
things were happening
have
with
some
her,
decency and allow
why
me to
did she
respond.
open her mouth then?
I don't understand, why are you getting so rattled? Why are you getting
Yeah,
so
why are you
rattled?
getting
I'm just
rattled,
putting a counter
Subrashta?
argument.
No, because
Why are you
she should
getting
have
rattled?
spoken
I'm
up.
putting up a
She would
You're
have
all
saved
rattled.
Sushant's life. I'm not getting rattled.
I'm sorry,
She
none of
would
you
have
were
Oh
here.
yes, you are. All of the whole Bollywood lobby is
None of
rattled with
them is
Kangana.
her like that.
I come from Patna. I come from Bihar. That boy hailed from my state. He was of my age group, all right? None of you hypocrites ever spoke anything for him.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
only now that when Kangana has spilled the beans, that suddenly all your, thrones are suddenly, shaking in disgust and fear. You should be ashamed of yourself. That tonight
Madam,
you come
one
over
second,
here
madam.
and you're trying to sit
Madam,
on a
you
high
come-
horse.
one second.
Hold on.
You
Do
come
you
from
have
Patna?
any arguments
That boy
against
was
what
from your village or
have
your
you,
your
you know what,
state?
ma'am? You
When we
have no
appeal to all
arguments
of
to
you,
counter Kangana
please
Ranaut.
see my film.
You have
Subrashta!
no arguments
Why the hell
that
did
can
you guys-
counter
all
Kangana
the
Ranaut,
fans not
which
watch
is
this
why
film?
you
It is
guys
a
are
flop.
coming after
Why
her
did you not watch
personally.
this film?
You
When
will
appealed to
target
me and
women
said
personally.
that Bollywood
Shame
is
on you
fucked up.
as a
You
woman
are
who
hypocrite.
belongs
You
to
are
that
hypocrite.
industry. If
You
you
are
can
having
stoop
the
so
film.
low
You are
on a
not
television
making
program
it.
like
You
this,
are making an
talking
issue.
to
You
a
are making
stranger
an
who is not an
example.
insider to Bollywood,
Why
I don't
did-
understand what
why
kind of
did
a
you
mafia
support
you guys run inside that
When social
pothole.
media released all you Patna people and people who are trolling everybody and who've come out in the open.
What do you mean Patna people?
What do you mean Patna people?
What do you mean?
What do you mean Patna people? What did you mean Patna people? No. It's a reflection of a mindset. What did you mean Patna people? All you Patna people. Take that back.
Salman Khan's film.
It is a reflection of mindset.
But Sushant Singh Rajput.
No. It is a reflection of mindset. She must apologize at that. You heard that? She said all you Patna people.
What do you mean by Patna people are trolling? What the hell do you mean by that?
She just said.
You said all you Patna people.
I'm leaving the show.
You said
I'm
he's
not
from
going
your
to take
state.
this insult on my state.
All of you.
I'm leaving the show.
No, you carry on. No, there's no need for you to leave the show. Subrashka, wait, you don't need to leave the show. What did you mean? No, 1 minute. Instead, we must ask today. We must ask ourselves. I'm horrified today. Aruna Raja, are you watching this? Are you seeing this, Sonam? Are you seeing that Bharat Dabolkar? That today it comes to this. That Kangana is the only person who speaks out and raises the question for Sushant, making this a nationwide debate. And people like Kunika come and say, you Patna people. This is a reflection. This is a reflection of the ghettoistic culture that is now emanating in Bollywood. Shame on you for saying that. Bharat, why are you quiet?
He begged you all, please see my film, Son Chidiya. It's releasing. Why did you let
Shame
that
on you
film
for
be
saying
a flop?
that, Aruna.
Why did you let that film not
Not at all. You are all rattled.
Why did you? No shame on me. Shame on you. Because Sushant Singh doesn't belong to only Patna. He belongs to India. He belongs to the whole world.
Don't change the argument.
Shame on you for putting a cover on this.
Bharat, don't change the argument. Don't change the argument.
But right now we are talking about Kangana, right?
He's an Indian.
I'd like
Not
Aruna,
changing the
Aruna.
argument. You are turning it towards.
Right now we are talking about Kangana. So why are we attacking Kangana for speaking the truth? Why are we attacking Kangana for speaking the truth?
We are not attacking her.
Can I have the audio fix?
Lot of people are attacking her. Lot of people are attacking her.
I'm very
Why?
happy.
She's only exposing. Yeah, she should.
Why did
Everyone
she
should
open her
expose.
mouth when Mahesh Bhatt threw the chappal at her? When Mahesh Bhatt threatened her, when people were threatening her and abusing, why did she open her mouth and?
Oh, why didn't you speak then, Saurabh? No, Saurabh and Bharat. The argument being put tonight is 1 minute. Very interesting. Very interesting argument being placed tonight. No. The argument being placed tonight is this. So no, 1 minute. First of all, let me reiterate. 1 minute, my friend Saurabh. Let me reiterate that everyone is grateful to Kangana for speaking up. Let me say that there is admiration for Kangana. There's Saurabh on one side and the others on the other side. Please, let's fix the windows. 1 minute. The question is, there is admiration for her. There is respect for her.
Speaking up.
And you ought to be more respectful in your statements to Kunika.
Like her
Just like-
have come without any film background. Without any background.
Absolutely.
Those people
Sushant
have
and
come from
Kunika.
the film industry,
First of
and
all,
she,
this
literally
is how they put
derogatory
down
remarks against them.
any talented person who comes to Bollywood. Sushant Singh Rajput became a victim, and this is demeaning. I strongly condemn the remarks about this Patna lobby. I have a Patna connection as well, and every Bihari is a proud
Absolutely,
Bihari.
I condemn it
come
as
from
well.
Uttar Pradesh, but you
My
should
best-
take and
some of my
apologize
best
on the
friends
show
come
today
from
for
Patna.
making such remarks.
I've
You
studied
should
in a
not be
college in
making
which
such
there were so
demeaning
many students
remarks
from Patna.
about a state
This
or
mindset
capital.
we
You
shall
should-
defeat.
Absolutely. You should not be demeaning. Arnab, this stems from a mindset that you are superior. This is what Bollywood mafia does.
This
They
is
put
exactly
down
what they
talented
did to
people
Sushant.
who come
The
from
way in
small
which she
towns.
speaks
And this
today is
what happened
exactly
to
what they did to Sushant.
There is a mafia. Just like the Lutyens mafia in journalism, there is a Bollywood mafia in Bombay, which puts down
Not what
talented
I did to
actors. They are
Sushant.
hounded out.
What
and
that
there is a
lady just
group
did.
which
She
colludes to
enclosed
put down these
Sushant
actors.
into
And
the
Kangana has
periphery
done the
of
right
Bihar
thing
state
by
only.
exposing them. I
Sushant
think the police
belongs to
must
the
take
world.
cognizance of what
Sushant was
Kangana
the sun
has said.
shining
And
in the
every
world.
like-minded
You were trying to
every
put a
talented
cover
actor
on
should
someone
stand
that
for
was like
Kangana,
the sun
because she's
shining.
exposing the dirty side of Bollywood. It requires courage to do so. While you are in film industry, it requires courage because she's exposing some of the biggest names in Bollywood. And I think an independent inquiry has to be held because this will be a fitting memory for Sushant Singh Rajput.
Have you finished?
You know, because what she's talking about is pertinent questions about
course an inquiry must
outsiders,
be held.
people coming, talented
Of
actors
course.
coming from small cities being hounded
give the
out
police a
by
chance.
these Bollywood
Give the
mafiosos
police a
who
chance.
run
Let
the
them
film
do the
factories today.
investigation.
And
If you are not
the moment the money
satisfied,
has
then
come
the
in,
family
it has
can
become
ask for
even
the
worse.
CBI inquiry.
Kunika
police
ji,
is
you
still
should
not
be speaking
finished.
today for
The police
Kangana
has
and
not
standing
finished
for
the
her,
investigation.
praising her. for what she has done, because what she has done is
I am
courageous.
standing for
Very
her.
few actors have
I
the
am
courage
saying-
of conviction as Kangana has. She came from a small state. She came from a
Arnab,
small
should I
city.
take my
Has
mic
proven
off?
her mantle
Since it's not
mental
needed.
in Bollywood,
You are not-
and
you should
also
have the
proven
courage to
that
listen.
she's courageous. You should
Your
be
audio
praising
can
it,
be
and I
heard,
think
but you
police
should have the
must
courage
take
to listen,
cognizance
Konika.
of what she has spoken about
Arnab,
on
I'm
Arnab's
taking my
interview.
mic off
Those
because
things
you're not
must be
going to allow
recorded.
me to
Her
speak
statement
as
must be
usual.
recorded.
Don't do
because
this. Don't do
there
this
are
victim
deeper and
card on me.
sinister
You are being
motives
completely
involved.
allowed to
Bollywood
speak.
which must be
Nobody's
exposed.
editing you. 1 minute.
No, you're not
Question
allowing me
is,
to speak.
no, everyone's
When I
allowing you to
speak,
speak.
allow
There are 4
somebody
people who've not
else-
spoken
you
on the
allow somebody
debate.
else to speak when I don't
There are 4
speak.
people who've not spoken on the debate.
No.
How dare you say you've not been allowed to speak? You've been allowed to speak more than anyone else.
And you turn that,
Others are not spoken yet, and you're the one protesting. You made an absolutely disgraceful remark about Patna.
And now she's doing this drama of going away from
Oh
the show.
no!
She should apologize
I
and
did
leave.
not. That lady said he's from Patna.
Her name is Subrashta.
So he's from Patna. Why did you make Son Chidiya a 100 crore film? He requested you. He begged of his fans.
Subrashta.
What
Stop
happened
fooling
then?
around people.
Suddenly after
You
he
have
said
no
are getting-
shame left on
getting
you.
alive.
You bloody racist, casteist, statist person. You have the courage to say that you will leave the show.
Don't you
should
dare
apologize
abuse
and
me.
leave. I'm not abusing you. I'm calling you
I'm
a
here
statist
on
which
my
you
will.
are.
I'm on
You
here
are
on my will.
somebody who
And don't you
discriminated
dare
right
abuse
here on
me.
live national
I can use
television.
worse language.
You are
Trust
somebody
me.
who is a part of a
I come
mafia.
from very good
You are
upbringing. I
somebody
don't
who
believe in using
threatened
this language.
And actually
So
killed
you
Sushant Singh
don't.
Rajput. You are the people. You people are the mafia, which ensures
Oh,
that
please.
talents like Sushant Singh Rajput die. You should apologize and leave, and not create this drama.
Madam,
Nobody allowed you to speak. You were given an opportunity
you know
and you exposed
nothing.
yourself
You know
through your
nothing.
words. I will do nothing and I will know nothing
boy.
about you. You don't deserve
Have
my
you
attention.
finished?
No,
Have
I
you
haven't.
finished with your
Till the
verbal
time you don't
diarrhea, madam?
apologize, this
Have
is
you
not
finished
going
with
to
your verbal
end.
diarrhea?
You will have to apologize for your remarks against my
Oh,
people
no.
from Bihar.
Trust
Against my
me.
people from Patna.
Oh no!
How
Don't
dare you
threaten
abuse
me.
us? How
I've
dare
lived in
you
this
threaten
city
us?
alone.
How dare you
I
abuse?
have no nepotism.
You don't have to speak
I
for
did not
yourself.
abuse.
Your
You
words
called me
spoke for
bloody.
yourself.
And trust me, I know how to use
You
worse
called
language,
people,
but
you
my
called
upbringing
those
does not
youngsters who are
permit me to.
campaigning
So
for
keep your
Sushant
mouth
justice
shut
trolls.
And let me complete
You
what I have to
called
say.
us trolls. How dare you? Do you know the kind of people who are asking for protest, madam? There is a guy, Vishwajit Pratap Singh, he runs this page called Magadhi Boys. That guy has moved back to Bihar to campaign for Sushant's justice. That guy has moved back because you guys did not give him the chance that he deserved. If you're feeling that this
your sound
atmosphere is too
decibels in
loud,
your show
get
can
out.
turn
Because
anybody
if you
deaf.
can't
Calm down.
handle
Stop
the
ranting.
heat, you should not get into the kitchen.
Ma'am, I
You
think
should
you're
have
going
thought- you
through a
should
bad
have
cycle in the month.
thought
Please,
it
can you
right
stop ranting?
Before you said that people who are campaigning for Sushant Singh justice are trolls. How dare you say something like that? Take back your words.
I can't
Apologize.
hear what she's saying. What is she saying?
I am saying that you will have
What
to
is she saying?
apologize
She's shrieking.
for the abominable statement that
sounding
you
like a
made
banshee.
against all
Why is
those
she
youngsters
shrieking
who
like
are
a
campaigning
banshee?
for Sushant's
No personal
justice.
comments, please. No personal comments. I think no personal comments. Don't use you also now. 1 minute, Konika, please. Let's go back to the issue at hand.
No,
Muhammad Ali Shah. Muhammad Ali Shah is on the debate. Subrashta, 1 minute. Muhammad Ali Shah is on the debate. I bring you on to the debate with Bharat Dabolkar. What are you talking about? I just want to have. I want to ask one question. You want a division, Muhammad? 1 minute. If you want a division, I'd say today Sonam is on the debate. Bharat Dabolkar is on the debate. Let there be a division on how many people are for Kangana and against Kangana, and let it be understood why I'm calling for that division. Bharat, my friend, listen to me. Bharat, the only reason I'm asking for a division today is because I don't believe it is only about Kangana. It is the fact that what she has said has touched a chord with the people of this country.
I did not know Kangana at all. But I must say I was extremely impressed by that she had the courage to come on a show like this and name people. I wouldn't have the guts to name people like this. I wouldn't have the guts. What I find very strange, Arnab,
is that she has accused a few people from the industry. There's a police investigation going on. there is no need for anybody from Bollywood to come and attack her. That's very juvenile. She has attacked some people, she has taken some names, there's a police investigation going on. There is no need for anybody from Bollywood to take it personally and come and attack her. She has accused people, let the police investigate. It's extremely juvenile to attack her.
Mohammad Ali Shah, first of all, don't shout. Don't shout.
Coming out like this.
And Kunika, I repeat today, to you Kunika, I repeat today that you need to apologize to the people of Bihar. And to everyone, there's a lot of people really offended with your comment. No, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I think you need to.
He's from Patna. I was saying, what was Patna doing? What was Patna doing when he was begging you to make Son Chidiya a hit? Why did you wait for him to die? Why did you support his film if he was only from Patna? He belonged to the world. You are putting him into a box.
Nobody is putting him in a box.
An artist belongs to the world.
I'd like a poll now. I'm requesting my producers. I'm going to have a poll,
please.
viewers. We get a sense how the people of this country think. Are you with Kangana or do you agree or disagree with her? I have a clear binary on this issue today. Absolutely. And I'd like to bring into the debate Sonam Mahajan and Fawzia Arshi. You see, couple of points that I want to make, Fawzia, and maybe Sonam can respond to you. Can we deny that Kangana has touched a raw nerve with her comments? Can we deny that suddenly this lackey, flunky culture that suffocates talent in Mumbai is being spoken about openly? And can we deny that today people are rehashing old videos, targeting her, their common target is Kangana? And I want to say this, that the more you attack Kangana, the more you take off your mask. Fawzia, they attacked her today, I mean, amazing. Anurag Kashyap, Swara Bhaskar, Tapsi Pannu, combined attack, everyone attack. Cartels come together, attack them. Now, why are they attacking them? Because they realize that if Kangana is not stifled and suffocated, then more people may begin to ask questions. But I believe that bird has flown out of the nest, Fawzia. That bird has flown out of the nest. That it flew out of the nest a long time back. It's just that Kangana's interview has opened up the floodgates right now. And if I open up the phone lines today, Fawzia, let me tell you, there are people from all over the country who are saying, we want the truth on Sushant Singh Rajput's death. They refuse to even accept it to be a suicide. There's no suicide note, you call it a suicide. Before investigating whether it is homicide or suicide, the police says suicide. Why? Where is the duplicate key? Why are you calling it suicide? Why are you prejudging it? Where are the fingerprints? Right? And what was the position of the body? Right? Who was using his credit card? What about the people who sabotaged him? What about the people who abused and attacked him? What is called abetment and what is not in this case? Why did some people, some of the producers being spoken about, say that he would commit suicide one day? Does anyone say that, Fawzia, about anyone? I think this person is going to commit suicide one day. I think this person is moving towards disaster. Do you say that? And when these questions are asked, admit it today. And I want you to admit it, Fawzia, that it is because of Kangana that the country is asking the questions today louder. Right or wrong, Fawzia? Come into the debate.
Right. See, yes, it's it's right. Whatever Kangana is doing is absolutely right, but she should not be so loud and vocal.
Why shouldn't she be loud and vocal?
Target people like this.
Incredible. No, we're getting reactions.
No. See,
what she's doing is right, but she should not be loud. She should not be vocal. Why?
For somebody is something else.
Why she shouldn't be loud?
She should be vocal, but she should not cross her limits. She should be vocal.
Aruna, I can't get your audio, Aruna.
Not be
1 minute, I want to hear. 1 minute. Aruna, wait a minute. Let Fawzia complete her point. Fawzia, complete your point. Yeah, Fawzia, go on. Complete your point. Complete your point. Then Sonam will respond. Yeah. Fawzia, complete.
See, anybody who is talking out of limit is wrong. We are.
Who decides the limit?
Besides,
was was driving a person like
you and me
Sushant
decide
trying to
the
sabotage his career,
It's
crossing the
you
limit?
and
Sonam's
me.
responding. Sonam, please, producers. Sonam is responding. Sonam.
No. It's not our job.
It's not our job. Okay.
Kangana Ranaut's job to find out that who's the culprit. It's the police. It's the CBI. They will come to know.
No,
They will
absolutely,
reach
it's
to the
not
conclusion
her.
that who
It's
is the
not
culprit.
her
It should
job
not
to
be
find the
Kangana
culprit,
Ranaut.
madam.
Standing,
But you must
standing beside
understand,
somebody
Mr. Mahesh Bhatt
talking about
and his brother were the first people
talking-
to come on television and claim that Sushant Singh Rajput was Parveen Babi in making. These are the people who've come forward on their own and they have made claims like these. Now, I would also like to ask Ms. Kunika.
Kunika. 1 minute. She's asking Kunika. She's asking Kunika. Let's put Kunika on it. She's asking Kunika. Sonam, stop, ask the question again.
One thing.
Sonam, stop, ask the question again from the beginning. Yeah, go on.
Kunika doesn't want a case to... I would like to ask Ms. Kunika. She seems to be a big fan of Indian judiciary as well as investigation by the police. Why is she not asking the Mumbai police to summon Mr. Mahesh Bhatt? His brother was the first one to come on the television and say that Sushant Singh Rajput was a Parveen Babi in the making. And if Mr. Mahesh Bhatt is such a big mental therapist, then how come he's not been able to help anyone till date, including his own daughter? Why is that? Talking about Salman Khan, there have been media reports that Salman Khan schooled Sushant Singh Rajput once because of
You got the Ornav disease.
So these names are coming forward on their own.
I've understood your question. Allow me to answer. Madam, my first thing that I said was...
You didn't let others speak, so I'm just giving you a taste of your own medicine, madam. Do not mind it so much.
You asked me.
Did you let others speak?
No, I don't mind anything. When I come to Ornav's show, I'm prepared for everything. I'm prepared for people screaming. Okay, let me answer now. I'm going ahead quiet.
It's all right. There's no point targeting me personally, Kunika. I'm not even going to respond to you. I'm not even going to respond to you. Yeah, I want to focus on the subject. You should apologize to the people of Bihar and a lot of people tonight on the program.
I'm very happy.
Thank you.
I'm not going to. You have misconstrued what I said. You have purposely misconstrued. So just stop that.
I haven't. It's on record. Subrashta is responding again to you. 1 minute.
Arnab, Republic bots have already started. They've started their trolling, which is your...
I don't have any bots. I don't have any bots.
So
I don't have any bots. Please.
I want an investigation. I want Kangana to be called. I want everybody who she's blamed to be called. And I want Kangana to come and furnish
Which world are you living in?
Oh God, this lady...
Which world are you living in? Kunika, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should apologize. And if you cannot apologize, have the decency to keep shut.
You should be ashamed. You have no manners. You are interrupting in my answers. Arnab, what
Madam, you have been given a chance to speak.
It's an open debate, Kunika. Don't complain.
This is the problem in your show.
You chose to speak shit. That's not...
Calm down, everyone. Language, please.
You don't let me answer.
You don't have any answer. You have been asked to apologize by the youngsters of Bihar. You need to explain your position on Bihar. What did you mean by people who are asking for justice for Sushant that trolls in Patna? What do you mean by trolls in Patna?
I will repeat if you don't
You don't have to repeat yourself. You have to apologize for calling youngsters in Bihar trolls. I'm not going to let you get away with it.
No,
I won't let you get away with it. I'm sorry, I'm no Sushant
I don't
Singh
give a
Rajput,
damn.
And you are no Mahesh
Do
Bhatt
what
who's
you
going
want.
to take away
I
my
did
life.
not I said
am not
you
Sushant
said you're
Singh
from
Rajput who is
Patna
going to
and
keep
Sushant
mum.
was from Bihar. I asked you why did you not adhere to his request when he said, please go and see my film. Where were you all, Patnaites and Biharis who are now claiming...
You know
what? Oh, ridiculous now, again.
Why did you see his film?
So she does it a second time. Unacceptable.
What you're saying is that
1
you
minute.
guys will continue to
Obviously, yes.
We cannot even demand justice.
No, you see, Subrashta, this reflects mindset. One sec. Though I don't want to take away from the subject out here, I want to say this today, that, and bringing back the subject on the debate, Arun Bakshi, there is a league which says that Kangana must be crushed. Entire band of people in Bollywood come out today, a league is let loose. Crush her. Arun Bakshi ji, Anurag versus Kangana, Swara versus Kangana, Tapsi versus Kangana, a league. Anybody who speaks in favor of Kangana directly or indirectly, a whole league comes out. Ranveer Shori's put out a tweet today. Go and attack him as well. Start questioning him also. Today, मैं कह रहा हूं अरुण बख्शी जी, Kangana is being threatened in such a way, मुझे शक है. I have doubts today, I'm telling you. Arun ji, why is she being targeted? Look at the way in which she's being targeted. And people are saying, why didn't Kangana complain earlier? The same people, Bharat Dalbolkar, are also saying, why didn't Sushant Singh Rajput complain when he was alive? Look at the level of insensitivity. वो आज कह रहे हैं, जब वो जीवित थे उन्होंने बोला क्यों नहीं? Because dead men don't speak, Bharat.
I think Kangana has made a bold statement. She has named names. I think it's for the police to investigate. I don't know the people who are criticizing her. I think it's extremely juvenile for her to react, for all of them to react to her statements. Wear the cap if it fits you. If it doesn't fit you, ignore it. Let the police do their job. That's all I'm saying. Why should everybody react to Kangana's statements?
Arun Bakshi, please.
Sir,
Arun Bakshi.
सर ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वो नहीं है जो एक जमाने में थी. यहाँ पे सब एक दूसरे के साथ झगड़ा कर रहे हैं. There is nothing like grace. कोई ग्रेस नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. अगर आज के जमाने में, इस कलयुगी जमाने में, अगर उसके पास आवाज है, उसके पास लॉजिक है, उस लड़की के पास में उसने बोला है, लेकिन एक ही गिला है, एक ही अच्छा किया उसने बोला है, उसमें गट्स है, उसने बोला है. आई अप्रिशिएट हर. लेकिन एक बात है, दूसरे के ऊपर आप खाम खाई एक क्रिएट मत कीजिए, एक एटमॉस्फेयर मत क्रिएट कीजिए. मिस बी को ये बी ग्रेड है, ऐसा हमने कभी नहीं देखा सर, कभी नहीं देखा. हमारे टीचर, हमारे खलीफा दिलीप कुमार थे, हमारे बच्चन जी थे, लेकिन वह सब ग्रेस में चलता था. लोगों की खुन्नस होती थी, सॉलिड खुन्नस होती थी, लेकिन वो काम के ऊपर होता था. ये कोई
अरुण जी, अरुण जी जिस जमाने के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं, उस समय ऐसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स थे क्या प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस के कि आप हमारे साथ फिल्म बनाएंगे तो पहले कंडीशन होगा कि आप किसी और के साथ काम नहीं कर सकते? ऐसा कोई कंडीशन कभी अमिताभ बच्चन या दिलीप कुमार में लगाया था क्या किसी ने? बताइए मुझे.
सर यस इट वाज अनसेट, बट इन टोटल
जिन्होंने स्ट्रगल करके अपनी जगह
अरुण जी,
जिन्होंने स्ट्रगल करके अपनी जगह बनाई उनको बी ग्रेड बोलना उसका सही है,
और किसी के परिवार के पीछे जाना वो सही है? Was there not an attempt to go after Kangana Ranaut's family?
No, I'm sorry, Arnab. Who is talking about grace on your show tonight?
Kunika.
This lady who just abused like 15 minutes ago comes and talks about grace. She's talking about merit. These are the kind of people who never said a word against Sushant Singh Rajput's talent. These are the people
Kunika.
who are now jumping onto Kangana, taking her on as if, you know, she has committed a crime by speaking against the ills of Bollywood.
Kunika
are today keeping a stoic face and talking about grace.
Right.
Only elites in the Bollywood mafia can talk about
That was from
grace
Kunika.
tonight.
Oh God, no, I can't.
You know,
speak.
Kunika, stop your acting. You stop your acting right now.
Has she finished?
This is not a platform where you act. What you said today is despicable. People in Patna are already campaigning against you.
This is me.
Have some
Take it
shame.
the way it is.
Apologize.
Sorry, darling.
Apologize, Kunika.
You have done your bit
This
here.
is the way I am.
We don't want to hear anything about what you feel about Sushant, what you feel about Bollywood, what
I have
talent
not said
you possess.
anything wrong.
You exposed yourself tonight.
No. So let's, okay, 1 minute. I know the debate is not Kunika. I think we cut her short. We cut Sonam short. So Saurabh, you want to come in? Saurabh, listen. My question is, what wrong is Kangana done? If she's spoken about the suicide gang, should it not be a matter of investigation? What drove Sushant to that? If he was indeed.
Absolutely. Arnab,
right?
not only has she exposed this gang, she has pointed out to the dirty secrets that Bollywood has. There has to be an independent inquiry. Why is that talented actors are hounded out by this lobby? Why is that certain
Sonam wanted to come back. Sonam is on the debate right now. Sonam is back on the debate with Major Muhammad Ali Shah.
This is what needs to be brought out. This is what the talent has to prevail.
Yeah, Sonam. Sonam, my question at this point of time is, can I have
I call it Bollywood.
Can I have the poll out, viewers? Can I put the poll grid out? Last I saw, interestingly,
I really challenge you here.
What are you challenging whom?
Yes, I am saying that, in your shows, you have the same, more or less, the same panel over here. Normally, will that be called lobbying? Will that be called nepotism? No, it would not be called nepotism. So Kangana Ranaut should actually do a research what nepotism actually means. In the late 17th century, it's an Italian term which comes from nepo.
I am not even discussing nepotism is too loose and too nepotism is not even the word to describe this. Nepotism is a mild word. Nepotism is a mild word. I'm not even discussing nepotism. I'm discussing a crime. Do you understand crime? Thank you. Sonam.
Who have come from a different background, that doesn't mean that it is nepotism.
Can you please stop now?
Audio's not clear. Yeah.
Arnab, I believe in serious debate.
Okay,
Can I come in?
Fawzia and Sonam.
Arnab,
Sonam.
I would like to...
Yeah, go on.
Arnab, I would rather use Republic as a medium. I would rather use Republic as a medium to ask two very pertinent questions of Mr. Kashyap and Ms. Pannu. I want to ask Mr. Kashyap, a few months ago, I think not even a few months ago, his own brother has exposed a few big names about how he was ousted from the industry by some biggies. Anurag Kashyap doesn't seem to have any guts to back his own brother. Does he have trust issues in general, or does he have problems with people who have ideological differences with him, be it his own brother as well? Now I would also like to ask Ms. Pannu, today she has said that respect should not be commanded. Respect should not be demanded, it should be commanded. I would like to ask Ms. Pannu, I have noticed her a lot of times. She is an expert at, doing selective outrage on multiple issues. I have seen her making very, very political statements. I have been blocked by Ms. Pannu, the flag bearer of, the Bollywood mafia. There have been videos of her where she has also said, she has also said that...
but come back to Sushant. Come back to Sushant.
No,
see, I have a question here. I have a question here. Fawzia, tell me. Oh, no, allow me. It's not nepotism. Nepotism is a mild word. Suppose, I think the...
not considered an A-lister at,
No. I'm not going to nepotism. A-lister, B-lister is not an issue. The issue here is, if I may, Sonam, was a famous PR agent. Now let me be very specific. Was a notorious / famous PR agent of Bollywood, planting venomous stories against Sushant through a corruptible...
Why was the public consuming
through a corruptible quote-unquote journalist.
It's the public that was...
Second question, was Sushant's money being siphoned out? Why don't you want to hear these questions?
Fawzia can speak, Kunika has to...
Kunika, please. It's a serious matter. I will not have you block my questions. I'm not. What's your problem? Why are you getting insecure?
I can engage with her, but I will not allow this bad-mouthed woman to speak a word on your show.
The fact is that, Bharat, whether we like it or not, Kangana has put the focus on the investigation. Today, film critic Rajiv Masand has been questioned. She named him. 2 days back, Aditya Chopra was grilled. She named him. After, do we agree? Delhi lawyer Ishkaran writes to the Mumbai Police Commissioner, Dr. Subramaniam Swamy is ready to support Kangana Ranaut. Police release a statement on the questioning of the doctors. Aditya Chopra gets questioned, Rajiv Masand gets questioned. Tell me, did all of this happen, Fawzia, before or after Kangana spoke up? Tell me, Aruna. Let's go into the debate, the real debate. After Kangana spoke, all of this has happened. She's been like a force of nature that has broken through the debate. Has this happened after or before? Tell me, Fawzia. Has this happened after Kangana spoke out or not?
It's very good. It's very good.
Fawzia.
Can you please...
I appreciate that she is very bold. Let me speak, please. I am very, very proud of her that she spoke. She is talking about such a issue. But my only thing is this, that everybody should be in their limits, should not abuse each other, call B grade, C grade. And
no. You are going into, you're picking up, you are typically picking up 1% of what she said. You are picking up 1% of what she said. No. You are picking up 1% of what she said. You are picking up 1% of what she said. What was her focus? Her focus was on the circumstances
No,
that led to
Anna.
Sushant's death.
It's
Her
about
focus was
the
not A
dignity
grade or
of
B grade.
everybody.
Please do not do the Anurag Kashyap act of picking up
everybody
1% and commenting on it. Please. And by the way, 95% of the people of the country are with Kangana
No, it's
today.
not that. No, it's not that. Yeah, everybody is with
Fawzia,
Kangna.
may
Even
I
I am
please-
with Kangna.
Fawzia, may I
But
please give
she
you a
should-
counter? May I please give you a counter argument?
Sushant-
if you allow me to.
Okay. Fawzia
Sure.
and Subraj.
Sure.
Fawzia, the
please.
point is that Sushant Singh Rajput's death is a blow to millions of ambitions in this country. Please, you have to understand that. What
I
Kangna
agree.
spoke and where she came
I
from
agree.
resonates among the youngsters of this nation. You may have a problem with the structure and the format of her words, so be it. You can have a parallel debate around it. But the way Sushant was hounded by your industry, about which likes of Kunika are trying
Agreed,
to
it
dismiss
was
it with a
Sridevi
racist
also
remark.
bound like this.
We,
It was,
everybody gets angry at
Parveen
those
Babi
kind
like
of
that. It
utterances.
was Divya Bharti. It was Silk. Sunita Ubarfa. There were so many deaths in the past. We should talk about everybody. It's not only
But
Sushant
Fawzia,
Singh.
for our generation, I'm sorry to break it to you, Fawzia, but for our
What
generation,
happened
we are
about-
not going to
what
look
about
at Silk
Jia
Smita's
Khan?
death
What about
like we
Sridevi?
did at Please,
What
can you
about
allow
the
this?
other people
Can
who
you
come
Yes,
stop
what
this
about
from
Jia
Kunika
Khan?
from
Yes.
speaking?
So many other people.
Of course.
You have
Jia
to
Khan is
allow,
also there.
you have to
There
allow
are
a
n number
voice
of people.
beyond Kunika to
Four on
emerge
there,
in this
please,
panel
one
enough.
Calm down, gentlemen, everyone, please.
But it is,
Ladies
it
and
is
gentlemen,
the
calm down.
It
police.
has to be
Police
established that
touch.
for a youngster like me, for millions of youngsters like us, it's Sushant's death which is relevant today in this day and age. What
Who's
happened
the
to Silk
youngster here?
Smita? You guys did
Who's
not
the
stand up for
youngster?
her. Please do not put your guilt on us. Do not put the burden of your guilt on us, the likes of Kunika. And Fawzia, with due respect, let me tell you that the debate is not about what Kangana spoke about her compatriots. You may have an issue with that. You may discuss it in your, small cocoon of a small WhatsApp group. For the nation, Sushant Singh Rajput's death, the cover-up by the pretty faces of Kanika, the cover-up by graceful faces who try to bring in discussions, derail it to a completely different level. That's not going to happen. We are not going to take it away from here.
Okay. Okay, can I come in, please, if you don't mind? I need to. I don't know how much time I have, but I want to make a small comment. If I may, with everyone's permission, I just want. I have a comment to make, viewers.
Yes,
I think we must never sort of use the word nepotism, because nepotism hides the reality. It is not nepotism. We need to talk about the crime. And what crime people say? I'd say criminal discrimination of Sushant. I'd say criminal sabotage of Sushant's career. I'd say criminal targeting of Sushant.
I think he was doing very well.
I think it is criminal targeting, criminal sabotage, criminal discrimination, and that is what people of India and especially the young people want to know about. Yes, Saurabh.
This must be probed.
Coming from a small town and to making it to the height.
This must be probed. That's what Arnab just said, the right thing. This is a criminal discrimination which happened, and many young talents like Sushant who are there in Bollywood, they are suffering every day. That is the reason why if the truth does not come out, they will suffer.
And I also want to.
Individuals today are hounded out by this Bollywood mafia.
I also want to point out. I want to point out, and this may be my gut instinct, but I feel the need to share it on national television tonight. I feel the need to share something on national television tonight, please. This you don't need a detective to answer. If those who have seen Chichore would know that it was a wonderful and sensitive film in which Sushant played a role that uplifted people. And therefore, I don't feel here is a person you can automatically say without a suicide, no, it's suicide. Second point, he was awaiting the release of a beautiful film, I'm told, in which he'd put fantastic effort. This is not a young man, he's 34 years old, he has a film which is being released, right? He's come a hard way. You can't automatically, without a suicide note, without the details, say suicide. Third is, how do you plant the suicide story within minutes? How do you plant it within minutes? Does it really add up? And one more thing I want to say here, can I please request everyone to understand that when his ex-business manager Disha, another young lady, I'm told committed suicide. Again, we don't know what happened there. But he put out something on social media where he expressed his shock. How can a person who is shocked at someone's quote-unquote suicide 4 days earlier take his own life while he's awaiting the release of one of his best films? A person who's done his most empathetic act. In a film called Chichore, you just put the suicide number so quickly and then you blame it on him. How unfortunate, and I say this to everyone today, let there be a revolt in the people of this country. You blame it on him. The whole effort has been, Bharat, blame it on Sushant. The whole effort, the entire effort, Subrashta has been, blame it on him. Blame it on Sushant.
I absolutely agree with you, and there should be an investigation.
Blame it on Sushant. Let's get away quickly.
I said this on the first day.
Bharat, am I wrong?
Into it.
You know,
the police are looking into it. Whatever charges that she has made may be right, may
okay,
be
Bharat,
wrong.
tell me one thing. Tell me one thing, Bharat. Bharat, tell me one thing. Do the top cops of Mumbai not cohabit with Bollywood? The same people they may be investigating now, people with links to them?
Yes, always.
So where's the conflict of
Always
interest here? I don't trust, therefore, the police. I want a CBI investigation. I don't trust the police which cohabits with Bollywood groups. I don't trust them when they cohabit with Bollywood groups. I said it on my program yesterday. I'll say it again, Sonam. Please hear me. That at a time when a famous actor of Bollywood was nowhere to be found in this city, one of the top cops was partying with him.
Somewhere in your heart of hearts, you know it, you understand it. But because you said it yourself, that 99% of the people.
No, I don't. I need.
This is a statement.
Can I have the numbers of how many people support
The family must demand. We must put pressure. We must put pressure. There should be, but first let the police finish their investigation.
No, but the police can't blame it on Sushant.
If the CBI takes over, they will need some.
No, they are under scrutiny.
They will. They are
under
scrutiny. Right. I agree with you. I agree
under
with
scrutiny.
You cannot. But maybe there is a strategy.
Everyone on. Subrashta again. 1 second, please. Thank you. As I close the debate, viewers, I want to show you the number.
Maybe there's a strategy.
And
they must.
This woman has completely dismissed the protests, organic protests by youngsters of this country. She has called them Patna trolls. She has the guts now to sit on a high moral ground and, pontificate here. Stop nodding like an idiot.
Oh, calm down, everyone. Please, no personal attacks. Please, Subrashta, thank you very much. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I just want to say it doesn't take away from the core issue of the discussion, viewers. As of now, 95% of our viewers say they agree with Kangana. There you have it. Food for thought. Food for thought for all the others. Food for thought for all the others. Viewers, national scrutiny on this investigation. On the other side, we'll talk about why Prashant Bhushan is being questioned by the Supreme Court in a few minutes.